Alright, so we just landed at the John Wayne Airport in Costa Mesa, California. It is February something? February what? 23rd. Alright, so we just landed at the John Wayne Airport in Costa Mesa, California. It is February something? February what? 23rd. Yeah, so I'm going to be fighting on the WNO card, the Gordon Pena Part 4. Super excited. I'm going to be facing Amanda Bruce. It's going to be a good fight. A bunch of other great fights on there.
Jasmine made it. We made it.
We made it, coach. Over here. Drink your tea, buddy. Achilles is feeling sicky. Gotta get him some tea.
It's all the traveling. We've been every weekend after weekend traveling. So
takes a toll on your body. Alright, people. Flow Sports. Jasmine, welcome to Costa Mesa. Thank you for being part of the Teso Who's Number 1, Ryan versus Pena 3. I gotta show you the goodie bag they sent me. The Sani. Achilles' favorite. Fruit snacks. Cliff Bar. And a sticker. Oof. Can't go wrong with that, man. Hello, people. Weigh-ins are tomorrow, and I am 3.5 pounds overweight.
So what you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna get skinny.
And we wanna eat.
We all wanna eat. So, we're here in our hotel. About to eat some salad. Stay on weight. Big old man. I'm gonna be hitting the jacuzzi later. Get that weight off. And then eat again. And jacuzzi again. Then wake up in the morning. Cut that weight. Make that weight. Then eat some breakfast. Looking forward to it. Yeah. I'm eating figs for the first time. Show the vlog the video.
it's because it's a little fat baby like you, honey. Look. That's what you look like when you were little.
We're going to the hangar, which is where the WNO event's going to be hosted tonight. We're going to go do some post-fight interviews, do our face-off, our weigh-ins, do some pre-pictures, and then they're going to have an athlete's lunch, and then we're going to come back here and chill for the day.
We were just discussing. Nikki Rod just took this fight.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right to merge onto I-405 north
against
toward Long Beach.
A
well-prepared, muscle-bound Felipe Pena.
Who takes it?
Yeah, it'd be pretty impressive if Nikki wins this match. Even though Nikki beat him at ADCC, where they both were well prepared.
Was that 2019?
No, it was just now.
This year,
It just happened.
Yeah.
So, I don't.
Stay in the second lane from right.
I can't see Nikki Rod winning the match.
I'm going for the Natty King.
I'm going for the Bomba King.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
Oh, Jazz.
I was thinking of
I want Pena to win, but I feel like if he doesn't win this, it's just gonna look bad.
Oh, it's gonna look terrible.
It's gonna look terrible.
It's gonna look terrible if he loses. I don't know. This is just gonna be, the internet's gonna go crazy again. So leave it in the comment section. I'm gonna go read it.
At the light,
I really want to know.
We're talking about fight predictions. First fight of the night is gonna be Kieran and Renee. I personally think Kieran will win. I think he has a better style than Renee. So I can definitely see him
At the light, turn right onto Fair Drive.
Second fight,
then take a slight right
me and
turn.
Amanda. Of course, I gotta put my money on myself. The third fight, I think, is gonna be JT and Majid. Is that what it is? Yeah, JT and Majid. I see JT winning, but Majid's got a really unorthodox style. Yeah, exactly. So he could, catch JT slipping, especially considering JT doesn't compete as often.
Yeah, I don't see that happening.
No?
At all. No.
Never?
I've never. Not in a million years. Majid is good, but not there.
He's slick, man.
He's not there. He's not there. I don't think he can win that fight even on his best day. I mean, everybody's got a puncher's chance, right?
Exactly.
But no.
It's not about who's the better competitor. It's about who competes better on the day of.
Yeah,
So,
anything can happen, but it's a 1 in 100 that win.
And the next fight would be Badoni and Marino. I think that's gonna be a good fight, but I don't know. I feel like Badoni will win. But if Pedro plays his game,
Pedro's hard to beat because he's slick and he's strong and he counterattacks a lot. So both guys will have to be slick about what they do and when they do it. I think Pedro has beaten Badoni before. Beat him at an Orlando Open actually. Watched it. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't see that match being easy for anybody. I see both guys really working hard.
yeah, I
there.
see that being.
Badoni is definitely probably going to have an upper advantage now because of his momentum and everything he's been doing. You know, you get momentum. Yeah. So I don't know. Let's see what where this goes. And then Felipe Pena and Nicky Rod. We kind of already talked about it. It'd be crazy if Nicky Rod wins, but I think Felipe has the advantage because of the preparation camp, you know. So, kids, where you at? Badoni or
Badoni? I think Badoni pulls the win out of Pedro. I don't see any other way.
We're here for an event.
Alright, we have just gotten here to the WNO event where it's going to be hosted. This is looking dope. Look at this. Let's go say hi to people. Today?
What's up? Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
It's not
It doesn't gain that much weight.
No, it did for me too much. The calories on the acai was like brutal.
Oh, the acai is mean.
It's so good there.
Keep eating. Keep eating.
Get bigger.
Big boys are waiting. What's up? Howdy,
Hey, can I pat? Can I pat the dog?
Say hi to this.
Hi.
Fluctuates a bit. Like, well, I've been taking this weight gainer, like protein shake. And it got me up to 200. But then I stopped. And then I stopped taking it because we've been traveling a lot. So now I'm like 190.
You stay up there,
I
buddy.
missed you. You passed my weight, bro. That's perfect. Sometime we'll come to talk.
I've already made enough walkway and I'll get him in.
Cross your arms up front, how you feel comfortable. So, and just put a little bit extra. Chin down just a little bit. There you go. Same, only the other side.
Eu ganhei o Mundial, peguei o braço. Tu pega o beijo pro gol dela, aquele jeito lá, giro,
Now,
então foi
full
sempre
t-shirt.
assim.
My oldest has coach's pass, and then I only have the coach's pass. So coach,
You want to put that inside my bag?
You know, I always like seeing
All of
people
them?
like that.
and then I put you as my.
No matter what
Hold
time,
this for
where,
me real quick.
anytime, anywhere, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Good luck, man. Yeah, appreciate it.
Good to see you too.
Nick, don't worry about
What's up, bud?
Good to see you.
Yeah, you'll see.
You have your red?
No, but sure, those things.
Oh, is that what you're going to do? Sarah, is this you and shirtless? Let's
go.
Let's go.
177. Yeah. That was 176.
Let's go.
Super excited. I think it's going to be a great matchup. I think our styles are going to clash really well. I think it's going to be a very exciting match.
Rematch, of course, from the 80cc trial semifinal.
Yeah.
you won that match? Does that give you some confidence going into the rematch?
It definitely is, but I don't want to be overconfident. It was a really close fight, that ADCC Trials match, and I'm actually looking to really redeem myself from that match because a lot of people thought it could have gone the other way. But I'm here to definitely prove that that was the match. I won that. Achilles only comes to these events for the free food, I swear. Look at him. What you got, man? Chipotle. What you got on the plate? Dude, how much sour cream?
Sour cream with some rice and beans.
Bro. Sour cream with a side of rice, beans, and what? Chicken? Your stomach was hurting before. Guarantee it'll hurt now. At least you're eating, though. Think you put enough sour cream?
What water is that?
His water.
Make sure you drink.
Got a wedge in between my knees.
I don't want you to go that way.
Point limit.
We came to eat Italian, ristorante italiano. We are matching, girl. She's ready. And we're all taking turns listening to it.
This is a vibe.
Yeah? I don't know. Which song did you choose for her?
He picked the most ratchet line ever. Yee. It's yee. What's up, camera?
Right in your face.
What's up, vlog?